What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to import Faceoff. Currently I'm in line and it's packed. So gates open, I believe, at 8 and it's 8:23. And this is gonna go on until like 5 o'clock. I'll probably get tired midway, so we'll see what I record. Other than that, yeah, I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy this video. All right, we're getting closer to the entrance. That's a lot of cars. And there's way more behind me too. But hopefully this is a good turnout. Guys, we just parked and there's a little bit of people. I mean, people are still coming. Thought it was gonna be packed by now, but pretty good. Hey Patrick, what do you think?
It's crazy. Crazy.
So he's from Ohio.
Wide body BRZ, baby.
You wanna tell him your Instagram name?
Patrick_Rev, but it's not really car content.
He doesn't post at all, so don't follow him.
Oh, no, follow me.
But either way, we'll see what the day brings. Right now, me and the homie are just quick detailing our cars, ready for the little car show, and yeah, we'll see what the day brings. Yeah, it's really nice. Alright guys, that is the end. It's over. Thank God. I am sunburned. I'm pretty sure I have a farmer's tan. Yes, I do. So, that is over with. No trophies. No, I didn't win anything. Well, it's not, I didn't expect it, but it was a good experience. I've been up since like 6 in the morning, so I am super tired. I am ready to go home, knock out, and I don't even want to go to work tomorrow, to be honest. But that is it. So I hope you like and subscribe to this video.